Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to deactivate updates in Windows 10. Firstly, click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Select Update from the left-hand menu. To pause updates for a week, click on the Pause Updates for 7 days option. Windows will inform you to the date when updates will automatically resume. If you want to pause updates for longer period, just click on Advanced Options, scroll down to the Pause Updates section. In the Pause Until drop-down menu, select a date up to 35 days into the future. If you wish to resume, just go back to the Windows Update settings and click Resume Updates. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.